Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a PlayStation 4 controller on an Xbox One console with a Cronus Zen. This powerful device acts as a bridge, allowing cross-platform controller compatibility. We will cover the essential steps, from setting up your Cronus Zen to connecting your controllers and console, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. Get ready to enjoy your favorite Xbox One games using the comfort and familiarity of your PlayStation 4 controller, enhancing your gameplay with precision and ease. First, you will need to connect your Cronus Zen to a personal computer using the provided micro USB cable. Next, download and install the Zen Studio software from the official website. Once installed, launch Zen Studio and navigate to the Tools menu to update your Cronus Zen's firmware to the latest version. This crucial step ensures your device has all the necessary drivers and features for optimal performance and compatibility with both your PlayStation 4 controller and Xbox One console. Now, let's connect everything. Plug the Cronus Zen into one of the USB ports on your Xbox One console. Then, connect your PlayStation 4 controller to the one USB port on the Cronus Zen using a standard micro USB cable. Ensure all connections are secure. The Cronus Zen will automatically detect your console and controller, preparing them for cross-platform play. This setup allows the Cronus Zen to translate the inputs from your PlayStation 4 controller for your Xbox One. With your devices connected, open Zen Studio on your computer to select a game pack or create a custom profile for your desired Xbox One game. Many game packs offer optimized settings and macros. Once configured, disconnect the Cronus Zen from your computer. You should see the Cronus Zen display indicating it's ready. Now, you can start your Xbox One and enjoy playing with your PlayStation 4 controller, experiencing enhanced control and customization across your favorite titles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.